So what are we doing today, Connor?
Yeah, dude. We're gonna be changing my alternator.
Why is that?
Because, well, check this out. See it down there?
Hold on, wait. Where does it say? Oh, there it is, VTEC. That's the most important thing. All right, what were you saying?
Down here. You see the alternator?
Not really.
Well, it's
no, I do see it. Yeah, it's like covered in.
Well, it's the original one, dude. It has 170,000 miles on it, so.
Yeah. So we're swapping that out. Should be a pretty straightforward job, I'm hoping, at least. All we gotta do is just take off the serpentine belt and then get the bolts out. So we're gonna show you what we do. We're gonna go ahead and get the tools all ready and get the list of everything we need to do. I'll see you guys in a second. All right, so we're moving the tractor to get the car all the way in because there was a ton of bugs. Dude, he doesn't even care. Hold on. Alright. Move it up a little bit more. Alright, that's good. Yo, how many horsepower this thing got?
12.
12? Are you serious?
No, I'm at it.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
Ain't no stick shit.
This thing flies, dude.
This thing gets going.
Alright, we're gonna take this Ranger for a quick spin. I'll turn on a light so you guys can see. I gotta hold on though, dude. This thing is sketch. Alright.
Put your little net thing up here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, quick send up front here.
Oh, okay. I see it, yeah. Oh my god, dude, I feel like I'm going for a ride on a freaking roller coaster. Dude, this shit is cool as fuck. Oh, we're going in reverse. I got a brace pad right here, dude. Why is it so high in RPMs?
What are you talking about? It's just a loud thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's not so much horsepower for this thing. It's like a utility thing, so. Take it down here now.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god! Dude, that thing is sick! Holy shit! Oh my god. Dude, that thing was spitting some rocks.
I'll show you what it's how I get down here.
Alright, just don't roll us over, dude.
No, I won't roll us down here.
Oh, that's bad since we rode.
It's from all the rain.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it just washes up all the gravel.
Wow, we used to dirt bike over here. Jesus. Oh my god, dude, holy shit, this thing fucking goes. Oh my fucking god. Holy shit. Oh my god, dude. That thing is so fun. Oh my god. That's hot, dude. Oh my god, bro.
Remember the soybeans,
Holy shit. Dude, that's gotta be the most scared I've ever been in a freaking vehicle, dude. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. Dude, this thing is so much fun. Holy fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Dude, this thing is insane. Oh my god.
That's power, dude.
Jeez.
Nothing gets going.
Oh my god. Dude, 10 out of 10 buying one. Holy crap, dude. How fast is this compared to the four-wheeler you had?
I think my four-wheeler would beat it just because it's lighter.
Yeah.
But dude, this thing can get up to like 60, 70.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude.
It's a utility car, too.
This thing is freaking awesome. Jesus. Oh my god. All right, so we took off the engine cover and I moved this out of our way so we can get to it a little bit better. Next, we're gonna take off the battery just so that we don't cause any electrical problems. And probably we're gonna clean this shit up since he has his cover off. Might as well.
Thanks,
I mean, he likes his car a lot, so thumbs up. That's definitely going in the video, dude. That's definitely going in the video. All right,
I was like, thanks, dude.
we'll see you guys in a second. All right, so we're trying to figure out how to get onto. Can I have a light? Trying to get onto this right here, to release tension from the pulley, and all we have that fits is this little 1/2-inch wrench. So what we're gonna do is take off the end of this because, you know, floor jacks are the best extenders for wrenches. Everybody knows that. Hopefully it fits in there. We'll see. This is a long ass screw. Watch this, dude. Oh yeah. Oh, dude, perfect fit. Oh my god, no slop at all. Look at that. All right, perfect. All right, now hold this for me and we're gonna check this out. Look. Shoot. All right. All right, you see the tension releasing on that? No, it didn't. See the tension releasing on this when I push this up? Oh, so when I do that, all I gotta do, take this off of the alternator and release tension.
Sweet.
And that, my friends, is a DIY for a little bit of a power bar right there. Are you impressed?
I am, dude. That's pretty.
Not gonna lie, we spent the last 20 minutes trying to figure out how the hell to get off this damn tensioner pulley, but now I remembered. I'm a professional, so thumbs up for that. All right, so we got the last bolt to go. I'm just gonna loosen it up. If you want to show them down in here, there was a clip right here that I had to cut off, another clip right down underneath that I just had to pull, and then 12 millimeter there, socket out of there, and all that shit is like right here now. So we took off a bolt down to the right of the tensioner pulley, and then now we're just taking off this last bolt right here, and this baby should come right out. Hopefully we don't have to take the fan housing out. It said that we do, but fingers crossed we don't. Alright, so it kind of just fell right out, I believe. Well, there's still one more bolt that is being held by. I'm just gonna try to yank this bitch out.
There you go, dude. Just wiggle it.
Oh yeah.
Yep, there she is.
There she is. All right, yeah. So we might actually have to take the fan housing out, like they said. But yeah, we have to take the fan housing out. All right, so it's Connor's turn to get this fan housing out. There's some bugs in here. We're losing our mind, dude. This has been.
So what am I using here?
You want to get this out, and
So you have to use this or unscrew these things.
Well, it said that you want to disconnect the electrical line, right? Which is right here. So you can feel it go up into here. So you're gonna want to take off this black protective cover, and that looks like a Phillips, which might be hard to get to.
How are you supposed to get to that?
Two little Phillips. I don't know if you have a screwdriver that small. Let's see. If not, then we're just gonna try to improvise. Yeah, no. So, all right.
SOL?
No.
It's a 10. Hold this.
Oh yeah, there she is. No.
No.
Not that side.
No, not that side, dude. Okay.
Oh, that's actually kind of hard to turn. All this for just a couple inches, dude. Not even.
If another fly lands on me, dude, I swear to God.
What is it held on by the bottom? Please don't tell me. Yep. It's the things. The things that we just took off from up here, and I don't think that I'm gonna be able to get to that one. So we might just have to try to wiggle this out. So I'll be back. All right, so we got off the fan, and now we have a bunch more room in here. Just gotta be careful not to scratch up the radiator. And now we're gonna go ahead and take out. Can you pull this out actually? The oil stick?
Yep.
Everything is in the way, man. Everything is in the way. If they can put something in the way, they did. All right. And there's the alternator, guys. So, 10 out of 10. This is definitely the original alternator. I don't know why. Just miles. Yeah, 170,000 miles on this thing.
Not too bad.
Not very fun to take out, but I mean, we're gonna have to do it again tomorrow. So, that's gonna be it for right now. Tomorrow, we're gonna go out to, I think, pull apart. I don't know if he's gonna want to get a brand new one or not, or if you just want to get one from pull apart. It's gonna be a pain to do all this again at pull apart, but now we know what we kind of need and what to do. So maybe it won't be that bad. It's also kind of scary. You might not get the best alternator from pull apart. That's the only thing. It's about $150 difference, so it's really up to him. We had fun in the Ranger tonight. Had fun getting this out. I don't know if you can show this, but like I have cuts all over me from just trying to get this stuff out. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Honda V6 is totally easy to work on. You got tons of room in the engine bay. Don't need to take anything out of your way. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, so it's the next morning. We were gonna go to pull apart to get the new alternator, but we checked on pull apart all the 3 areas around us, and none of them had his year Accord or the V6 Accord. So we're having to go to AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts and get a brand new one. That's probably what he should do anyways, because he's planning on keeping the car for at least till he's out of college. So yeah, we're gonna go get that, and then we'll put it on when we get back. All right, see you guys when we have it. All right, so here's a new alternator. Looks a lot cleaner than the last one. So we're gonna throw this thing on and then start up the car. We're gonna do a time lapse of us putting this in. So that should be pretty cool for you guys to watch.
Bad news. Those words have been preserved for us on audio tape.
All right, so the alternator is strapped in. Now all we gotta do, put the wires back on and put the fan back in. Probably gonna put the fan in afterwards because I'm not too worried about the bottom clips. As long as we stick it in there, it should stay. Just hold with the top, so.
You're not gonna put the bottom in?
I mean, we can if you want.
Yeah, I
Okay.
don't want the bottom end.
All right, so we're gonna put the bottom back in. I mean, obviously I was gonna slide it in, but we didn't really need to tighten it because it doesn't really hold anything. It's just sliding. But all right, we'll do that, and then yeah, keep you posted.
Huh?
How's it going?
It's going, dude. Fucking flies.
You getting it? Oh yeah, there it is.
Oh, see it, dude.
Dude, you can't see it. You just gotta get on it, dude.
I don't know where the fuck I'm
No,
looking.
dude, you gotta use the other end, the circular end.
I don't know, but I don't know where I'm looking.
You gotta feel around for a bolt, dude. Do I have to do it?
Where's the first bolt?
Dude.
Oh, I see it.
Okay, now you got get the other one.
I see it.
Okay. You gotta tighten it all the way.
Oh my god, these fucking flies, dude.
Aren't they annoying, dude? Hold on, I can kill it if it lands on you, bro. I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill it.
Don't smack my leg. Ow! Oh, you're a dick.
Oh shit, there goes the light.
Yeah, I can't see shit now. I think I'm tightening the wrong thing because this thing's tight.
Dude, no, you gotta tighten it. It's
Is it
gonna
this
be
thing?
tight. It's gonna be tight. I don't know, I can't see it either.
Alright, oh.
It looks like you're on the right thing though. Alright, yeah, so we're gonna finish this up. we're gonna finish this up and then I'll take a video of us starting the car, hopefully.
Hopefully, dude.
Alright, here we go. Go for it. Oh, baby. That thing started right up. Now we're gonna let it run. See what happens. Belt looks good. Running pretty straight. Oh yeah, that's running really straight. Huh?
I just turned my tires if you want.
Yeah, I know, I heard it. There's his dog. What's up, Zeke? He doesn't even care. Any lights on, dude? No lights, dude. Look at that. Perfect. All right. Well, I'd say that was successful. Pretty sure that it's gonna stay running. As long as that was the actual problem. If it dies, I'll get it on video. But to me, sounds like it's running a lot stronger than when he was having problems. So we're gonna go eat and then both go to work. Hopefully his car makes it out of the parking lot tonight. So successful day, successful 2 days, I guess. All right, so we're pulling out of the driveway. Still not dead yet.
Doing good. There you go. Gas is on the right.
Oh yeah, dude, we're good.
We're chilling, dude.
Hell yeah, dude. So very successful. The car actually does sound better and seems like it's running better too.
It's a lot quieter.
That's what he
too,
said.
If you walk around.
Yeah.
A lot quieter.
Getting better spark probably. Probably wasn't getting the right amount of spark, but all right. So it was very successful.
Thanks, dude. Appreciate it.
What do you have to say to the viewers, bro?
Subscribe to Icy Garage and like the video.
Yeah. All right. You heard him, boys. See ya.